Today's video is going to be super simple. I'm going to show you how to edit sections or basically anything on a website that you already deployed for the client. So let's get started. So this is a recent portfolio website I built using anti-gravity. Then I pushed the whole code to GitHub and then made it live in Vercel. So here I'm going to show you how to edit the file. Imagine that this is a website you build for your client and this person want to change the, for example, expertise, like change the UI UX design to something else. Today I'm going to show you how to change that according to our client. So here I'm going to just go to GitHub. So this is going to be a simple video because how to edit things is super easy. So first I'm going to show you where that code is living. So in the source, come over to component and then we need to go to the expertise, right? So come over to this code and then go to section, and here expertise list, and here you can see UI UX. This is what you need to change. So I'm gonna just come over to GitHub and then go to source, and where was it? In the source we have to go to the components sections, and in the sections go to expertise, where expertise list.tsx u/ux design to, just for example I'm going to change this just to UI design. So I'm going to just go to this, edit this file, then after that GitHub will open the editor. This is the editor. I'm going to just change to delete this UI, just UI design, right? So and after that commit changes, here automatically change the commit message, and here I'm gonna just commit changes. Just like that you can change things in the code, and it is also affect in our live website. Now let's see if it's changed the main website we have deployed in Vercel. So I'm just refresh it. Go here, this is a side link, and it's gonna refresh it and it's working actually. And then scroll down expertise. As you can see, it's changed the code. It's now UI design. That's how you can change the code according to your client's wish. That's how you can edit the code. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.